Chace here, and today, since you just heard that cup, we're trying these things. You're having
It's Lucas.
Here, this is you have this one, and I had this one. They're Mexican candy, so put them on the thing. Put them on the.
Donna? I don't know. Somebody. Is the garage open?
Put it on your spoon, Majiggy.
This is how you eat, Lucas. Is somebody here, babe?
Ah. What is that?
Lucas.
Ew, what are you guys doing?
Taste test.
Does it taste good?
Tastes good.
Guys,
it has a tangy flavor.
This tastes good, between good and gross. It's like, it gives me a tingly feeling on my taste buds, but it's good. It tastes like strawberries mixture with like sour mango and something.
Yep.
So what do you describe it as?
So,
Wait, I'm gonna try this
I
one.
get the same feeling too. Tingly, sour,
Let's trade.
a little bit of chili in there. But I like the flavor though. I've always been a fan.
You always been a fan of the flavor?
Yeah, I've always been a fan of Lucas.
Ready?
To the
Set.
Korean place, Chace, they have
Oh, for real?
blueberry.
Yeah. James,
Korean bar market.
James, I'll let you have the blueberry.
Oh, which one's the blueberry?
The one without the nuts.
I want, yes. Oh, I don't want the nut. You want to have some blueberry with me?
It's blueberry and cheese.
Who's James L. Perez? Oh, I thought it was you. I thought they got your name there last week.
They call me Perez.
I'm so close to packing my 10K egg. My first 10K egg, I dropped it in the incubator.
Oh, sorry.
Hopefully you didn't press the button. Oh, you almost pressed the button. So, here's yours. There. So let me have it. Here. So, I have more than you. So this is going to taste bad for me. So I'm just going to put a little bit in the cup. Because if you get too much, you have to put it in your cup. Okay.
Where do you see the white dress? White long dress?
Oh, the wedding dress?
Yeah.
It's
in there.
It's in there.
Oh, it's in there.
It's in deep in there.
Okay, I need to bring it home so Tina could try it.
Okay, ready?
Okay. It's like watermelon flavor.
Yours is
I like
good.
this one.
Yours is so good.
It's really
I don't even have to drink for that.
What does it taste like?
Give some more.
Is it like a cherry flavor or what?
Who bought those?
John?
Oh, for what? I feel like Lucas.
For me. He bought for me because he knew I like Lucas. I like the blue one though. Like the blue top one.
Yeah,
That's my favorite one.
Bubble bath for you.
Really?
That's what Chase. And grandma bought bubble bath for you.
Hey!
Yay! Does I get bubble bath?
You get bubble bath
Bubble
tonight?
baths are awesome.
Hey,
You get one tonight?
bubble butt, bubble butt,
Bubble
bubble butt.
Bubble? Bubble butt. Bubble butt. You got a bubble bath.
Chase is gonna have a butt.
He
He
does.
goes,
Try my water.
no.
We put Lucas in there.
Why'd you do that? It's nasty. It'll be good with the mango though.
Yeah.
See how this tastes. Are you up for the challenge?
I don't think I can do it.
So you taste it and I taste it, okay?
How about you taste this one? Look.
What? No! No!
The whole thing?
How about you taste?
No,
Oh, that's like dangerous.
no, you try it. You try it.
You dude.
No, I
What
can
do you
sit.
mean?
No. You said you like it, so you eat it.
No, I like this one.
You have to eat it.
Then that means you eat this.
No.
It's poop.
I mean, you eat it.
It's poop.
Sorry. I messed up.
V. Mom.
Nope.
Wait, let me go give it to Grandpa.
No, he's not gonna eat it. Dude, give. Oh, never mind.
Ba, ba muốn ăn kẹo không ba? Come on, Dad, try it.
You gotta try it.
It's good.
You try it then.
I don't want it.
You said it's really good.
I know, but I think you like it too.
Jace, you gotta eat it. Half and half. Half
Well-
and half. You and Uncle James.
Half and half.
No, I didn't pour it.
stomach-
I
Half
didn't
and
put
half.
it.
I dare you. Half and half. Your stomach's gonna get tore up, man.
I'm just gonna take a little thing.
All right, take a little one like this.
I need a spit cup.
Okay.
I need your water.
Here, this is good right here. I'm telling you, it's really good. All right.
Cay dữ không?
Oh, let mom try some.
Thanks, Grandma.
The candy.
Có kẹo á.
I want some.
Nha, chua chua.
Yeah, chua.
Thanks, Grandma.
See, right? I love it.
I love it.
I used to pour in my the whole thing in my mouth.
Yeah, I know, me too.
Okay, ready?
Này bầu ăn chứ không tưởng nó có mùi tanh
1,
tanh.
2, 3, go.
Bite it. Chew it. Tastes good, right?
It has like cavities and a ball.
It's just really salty, right? And sour.
Too much. Gonna have diarrhea. Are you okay? Too much? Water.
Ew.
Drink water. Drink water.
Cái mùi á, bầu ăn nó. Nó làm như cái mùi tanh tanh á.
It's too much for him to
Thôi
handle.
bầu nữa nha.
Why is it hard?
No fair, you get smaller.
No, I ate a lot. What do you mean?
It's my
Sour.
Mexican candy.
Ew,
How do
look
you
at
say
that.
Hispanic?
This is the watermelon
How do
one.
you go Meg? What do you mean it's Meg?
Meg.
Meg? Gail is candy. Gail Meg.
Ah!
Gail
Yeah,
Meg.
Meg.
Oh!
Okay.
I'm just gonna be in the back throwing up.
Is that like
Rồi, đây
for Hispanic people? Like Spanish?
Like
Or is it
just
like
Mexican candy.
giống như cái muối gắt